Hi guys, welcome back on this channel. So today I am back with another video. So this video is regarding the Talent Connect program of Trident Group, right? So the last date to apply for this is I guess 31st of May. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah. So they are hiring for management trainees and they have functions in operations, engineering, maintenance, research and development, finance, HR, supply chain management, legal, design, branding. So basically, they have in openings in almost all the branches, right? And they are hiring for, if I'm not wrong, 2,500 plus candidates, and all these must be freshers, right? So Uh, they haven't mentioned reporting span of control experience. Nothing is mentioned. Qualification, they have written diploma, graduate or postgraduate, age 21 years and above. Behavioral competencies, passion to accomplish, hungry to learn and apply, leads by example, team player, tech savvy, etc., etc. So mention all these in your resume, which while you will apply for this. So roles and responsibilities. So these things you can read yourself. Now annual CTC they have mentioned is 9 LPA. Oh, 9 LPA for undergraduates and 15 plus for postgraduates, which is a big amount, and I don't think any company offers that much for a fresher. But this Trident group is a big group and their annual turnover is also huge. You can check it on Google. It's a big group. I guess they are the biggest fiber manufacturing company in whole Asia. So they are basically based in Punjab and Madhya Pradesh in India. So your job location would also be either Punjab or Madhya Pradesh, right? So now how to apply? I'll tell you. Click on this apply from here. Now this page will pop up. So now first create an account. So after this, fill your mail ID, password, etc., name, country, all these things, and then create account. I have already done this myself. Actually, this is Trident Talent Connect Phase 2. I have already participated in Phase 1, right? I got rejected in the third round, which was, I guess, domain test. I got rejected in that. First and second, I had qualified. So now, when you will create your account and then you will apply here, then you will log. Oh, wait. Yeah. So then you will log in, sign in from here. This form is a big form. Like it will take around 2 to 3 hours to apply, right? They will ask many details from you, like what are your future endeavors, what you want, like where do you see after yourself after 5 years, then your psychological things also, what are your strong points, weak points. Then if I am not wrong, they ask this also, what are your five biggest achievements in life and your five failures of life, this thing, all these things. So this may take a long time to apply. So after this, it will take 25 to 30 days to review, right? Then, if you are shortlisted based on your application form, then they will call you, they'll mail you for the first round. So now, yeah, so now that I'll tell you, yeah. So this round one would comprise of one psychological questions, right? These are 100 questions and they actually don't have a perfect answer. They'll just test your psychology, the things which they have mentioned, like what they require, does that match with your profile or not. Next is puzzle test and memory test. So this will take around 3 hours, I guess. 3 hours, round one, right? So now it will again take 25 to 30 days based on, like, for declaring the results of round one. Then you will be proceeded towards round two and round three. Basically, these two rounds will be together only. So now I will tell for mechanical people only, because basically myself I am from mechanical, so I know these mechanical questions only. So now this is actually technical round. Round 2 is technical round, and round 3 is domain oriented. Like, I mean, basically company oriented. So this company is fiber oriented, textile oriented. So they asked all the questions related to fibers and textiles only. They were asking questions like which fiber is used for making bed sheets, uh, how thickness determine the tension of the fiber, and etc. These things actually we haven't studied in engineering, so many people can't answer, including me. I got rejected due to this round 3 only. This technical test, yes. So for mechanical people, I would advise that do study industrial and production only. Only I'm applying here. No need to study design and thermal related subjects for this particular test. They haven't mentioned any subject as such for the test. They just mentioned that you are being processed towards a technical round. They'll not mention any syllabus, but from my experience I'm telling that they will ask questions from industry and production only. In my case, the questions were, wait, let me remove. Questions were from machine tools, okay, metal cutting tool design, then PERT CPM, industrial portion, I mean, PERT CPM, and two to three questions from lean manufacturing concept. This here in gate also this is added, lean manufacturing. Okay. So and I guess one question was from metrology also. I don't remember exactly, but as far as I remember. Okay, now I have taken. Actually, this exam is fully proctored. After every 2 to 3 seconds, artificial intelligence will capture your photographs, and in case you will look left or right or up or down, then that will reject your paper automatically. So take care also during the exam and give it properly. No need to use any malpractice in this, like keeping a mobile phone and all. So personally myself, I actually managed to click 2 to 3 photographs during the test. So basically I'll show you the questions. You can study those topics properly so that you don't get rejected like me. Wait, I'll show you. So these were the questions. These are too blurred, but you can manage. So this question was, which of the following is not true about the bar charts? So it is from quality portion, which we all study during our engineering, quality planning and control. This used to be a subject in engineering. Next is, which among the following is applied to express degree of relationships between two or more variables? So this thing was there. Next question was, which of the following mentioned are guiding principles of lean systems? So these options were there. I have actually colored this thing red because my name was mentioned and my application ID also. So I have blurred them. And these were the questions related to P charts, C charts, X charts, basically control charts. Next is, which of the following are true about the bar charts? So like charts are also important for this test. In short, which among the following is applied to express the degree of relationship between? It's the same question, and this is process capability again, quality question. Okay, so now same that only. So this is from turning portion, production, orthogonal cutting again. These are previous year questions of GATE and ESC only. They have repeated them. Mild machining question. This is Taylor's two life exponent. Yes, I guess they had mentioned carbides and other 2 3 materials, and they were asking their exponents, two life exponents. So these were the questions which they had asked. I had managed to click pictures, so you can refer them and you can prepare for this paper accordingly, because this company provides 9 lakhs for graduates only, right, which is a big amount, and it's a big MNC, top like Tata and all. So it's a big group and it's worth it to prepare for 1 month for this big company and for this big package. So all the best, and prepare properly and apply also patiently, because that application will take 2 to 3 hours, and use proper English in that application also. That will test your communication skills. So thank you. This was for today, and if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and share with your other friends also. So thank you.